Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we explore the smartest buys for your needs. Today, we're looking at what is undeniably the best flip phone for seniors on the market right now, the lively Jitterbug Flip2. It's simple, reliable, affordable, and purpose-built with seniors in mind. If you or a loved one need a phone that makes life easier, not more complicated, this is one you'll want to stick around for. The Flip2 stands out from the get-go with its classic clamshell design. There's a nostalgic comfort in flipping open a phone, but this is far from old tech. This model is engineered with modern seniors in mind. Let's talk about its most important feature, simplicity. Large tactile buttons, a bright, easy-to-read screen, and a loudspeaker make it intuitive for anyone who's tired of squinting at tiny touchscreens or dealing with overly complex smartphone interfaces. But the lively Jitterbug Flip2 isn't just easy to use, it's also smart where it counts. The phone is equipped with a dedicated urgent response button right on the keypad. Pressing it instantly connects the user to trained agents who can help in emergencies 24/7. Whether it's a fall, a health issue, or just feeling unsafe, that one button can bring peace of mind to both the user and their family. Another standout is the built-in voice assistant, powered by Alexa. This means you can use your voice to make calls, send texts, and even check the weather. For seniors with vision challenges or those who simply want hands-free convenience, this feature is a game-changer. The Flip2 also comes preloaded with helpful health and safety services, if you choose a lively plan. These include caregiver alerts, daily check-in calls, and medication reminders. It's not just a phone, it's part of a support system. Now let's talk about performance. It's not built for social media scrolling or video streaming, and that's the point. This is a focused, no-frills device. Battery life is solid, lasting multiple days on a single charge depending on usage. Call quality is loud and clear. And since it operates on Lively's network, it's backed by reliable nationwide coverage. Keep in mind, the Flip2 is locked to Lively, so it won't work with other wireless carriers. But that's by design. The phone and the Lively plans work hand in hand to offer a streamlined experience that puts safety and accessibility first. Design-wise, the Flip2 is available in a bold red color that's both stylish and easy to spot if misplaced. It's lightweight, fits easily in a pocket or purse, and the buttons are backlit for use in low light. It's perfect for older adults who want a phone that helps them stay connected, stay safe, and stay independent. It's also a great option for people with disabilities or anyone overwhelmed by the complexity of today's smartphones. That's it for today's product critique. If you're looking for the ideal phone for seniors, this one checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into tech that makes life easier.